Hi, and I'm joined with.
You know who I am already.
Ah, almost
Hello.
forgot this. But yeah, I have Indigo here today. And we have a tall box. So this one is actually something I'm pretty excited for, especially since I got the Guardian Sears. Even though I've actually been wanting this model, arguably my most wanted Sears, other than the 3000 one, or not the 3000 one. The what was it? The 1200 one. Oh shoot, which you own. So yeah, this is really exciting. And I lost like so many times to one of these too, so
That cat. 577.
it's
That box looks familiar.
it'll be familiar, trust me. So it looks like it didn't really come with any of the. I'm assuming like it previously had like one of those cardboard things that you like slide it out, but this came used from JDL Productions again, just like some of the other stuff I got. However, it did come with the manual, which I guess is the manual because this one actually shows the baby Sears version, and interestingly enough, this one actually has a test button on it. So I think that's pretty interesting. So yeah, this one's the 246.57045, which there's what it looks like. It looks pretty much the same as my Guardian one. A heat sensor aside. Man, I'm pretty excited for these. You know I love old BRKs. So, let's take a look at it. There it is. So this one, obviously, as I said, it came from JDL's collection. He recently sold one of these, along with an F900D and a couple others. He's downsizing his collection, so I took advantage of it and decided to buy some things off of him on eBay. And this is one of them. I got another Sears, which was the white test button heat sensor gateway, which is, I forget the model, but it's like insanely rare. So it's like one of many Sears I got. So this is I believe my 8th Sears unit I own. So obviously this one is the 77R based one. This one has the coffin style sensor, CLB27, and the tiered test button. So nothing out of the ordinary. No test socket on this one. But yeah. Let me pull out my Guardian one if I have it. I don't know if it's easily accessible. It might not be actually. It might be in another drawer. I don't feel like pulling it out right now. But it looks just like this. But these holes on the side here, they're like slightly different arrangements. I mean, some of these had like different factors, like especially the heat sensor ones, because the heat sensor would have its separate shape. Because I believe the heat sensor ones have like a circle cut out here, like I don't know if it was like vents or whatever, but it was like a circle. Like these vents over here would be curved, and then I believe the Guardian one just had like some of the vents just covered up, and then it was just a circle cut out, if I remember correctly. I know you have yours, but I just don't know if you can confirm that with me.
Huh?
Your Guardian Sears.
What about it?
Does it have the does the heat sensor cover up the two like vents on the front? Because I don't remember. You might have to you might have to show me if you still have it.
Oh, was it like I still have it. Where the freaking vents are, like where the heat sensor is.
Yeah.
The vents around it are filled in.
Ah, okay, so they are filled in. So that's exactly what I suspected. So the BRK ones have kind of like curved vents for these two sides right here. So yeah. So let's go ahead and get this thing on. Okay. This one, it does work, but it falses. Let's see if I can, fix that. Okay, so it's falsing right now, so, I mean, it's, at least it works, so I mean, oh, what the? Yeah. Yeah, it works though, so, that's perfectly fine. I could always, like, interchange the boards just to, like, pretend that the test button works, you know? But I would probably be keeping this thing powered off for pretty much all the time, except when I want to, like, test it or anything like that. But I can mess around with it. But it does work. Yeah. So, yeah, it's a lot more common than you think with these falsing 77R units. But I honestly don't care that much, to be honest. It's still a unique alarm. I like it. Sears had like 10 million rebrands, so it's typical. So, yeah, absolute large box aside, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed, and you want to say bye? Edo, you have 10 seconds. Okay, well, that's it.